Uh, so our article is 100% live now. Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create backlink. So this website can on this website we have to create our profile also, and also this website can provide services to where we have to publish our article and the blog. So these three things we have to do on that website. So the website name is livepositively.com. So you guys can see, I can going to show you the website authority. So you guys can see this website having 69 domain rating, and I can going to show you the website overall traffic and the traffic source for the which kind of country this website getting traffic. So you guys can see this website having 77.4k total visitors, and the traffic from Pakistan, India, USA, Philippines and France. So if anyone user are watching this video from the Pakistan, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website, because you guys can drive massive the traffic on a website from the Pakistan and the India, USA, Philippines and the France. So this kind of geographical traffic this website having. So if you guys can want to attract, or if you guys can want to publish any article for targeted any kind of country, so you guys have to do these things on that website. So we have completed our research process, so now we have to move forward how we have to do. So there is an option you guys have to click for the login button, and there is an option you guys can click you don't have an account. There you guys can click, and you guys have to add your name, email addresses, password. You guys have to choose your password, then you guys have to add your username, because Glen group, and then you guys have to agree the terms and condition. And this is your landing page URL. You guys have to remember these things. You guys can copy if you guys can want. Then you guys have to click for the continue button. Once you guys can do these things, then you guys can add your company logo, and you guys can add your company bio. Okay, so I can going to copy through my website URL, because at that time I don't have much more time to we can do these things. Okay, so I can go to copy content through my index page, and then I'm going to add over there, and then we have to click for the continue button, and you guys can see, and this website can send you a activation email. So you guys can copy this email through your Gmail ID, then you guys have to put it over there, and you can click for the validation. And once you guys can do this thing, then you guys have to go for your public profile, and you guys can edit the things. So there we have added these things bio, and there is option you guys can add your website URL, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other things, and there is option you guys can add your cover photo also. Once you guys can do this thing, then you guys have to click the confirm changes, and for the last you guys have to copy it. If you guys can copy this URL, you guys can click for the, you guys can check, so your profile is instant approved now. So you guys, we have to did these things, and you guys no doubt this URL is 100% no follow backlink. Okay, so once you guys complete your profile update, you guys can, once you optimize your profile, then you guys, I can show you how you guys can uh, publish any kind of article. So there is an option you guys have to click for the right button. I can show you. So this is option where you guys have to click for the right button, and once you guys can click, you guys can found that kind of interface. Okay, so for your preference, I have already added my article. You guys can see, because I wanted to save your time and my mine. So I have I have did these things. I have did these things. Okay, so you guys can see I have added my title, I have added my banner image, and there is my category, and I have added my overall content, article content. You guys can see I have optimized, and I can going to add my targeted URL for the backlink purpose. Okay, so this is my second keyword where I can want to add my temporary hiring services page, and the permanent hiring, permanent employees, professional relationship. So there we can going to add also our secondary backlink, advantage of temporary hiring, advantage of permanent hiring, temporary hiring, role in temporary hiring. So we can going to add there our backlink, and we have to remove top of the content where we have placed recently. Temporary hiring, there we can going to remove now. Permanent hiring, long terms came to the permanent hiring. Permanent hiring and the other things, temporary versus permanent. Permanent hiring, this is my third keyword, and temporary employees. Temporary employees. Okay, key success, and we can going to add. So we have did these things. So you guys can see we have optimized our article, and we have placed a backlink where for the which keyword we want for the backlink. So you guys can aware about these things. Once you guys can complete these things, there is the option you guys have to click for the publish button, and you guys can see there is option that we can add our tags. Okay, so we can going to add our temporary hiring, permanent. So our article is 100% live now, so I can go to show you. This is a no follow do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% no peer UGC no follow backlink. Okay, so the main thing, the our blog is published now. You guys can see temporary hiring versus permanent hiring, and where is our banner image. So you guys can see this is our landing page URL, and we have 100% live now, and I can go now to show you in an incognito tab. So you guys can see our article is live now. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And for the last, I wanted to request with you guys one thing. If you guys can want to help me something and want to motivate me and for my work appreciation, if you guys can think about I'm doing something good for you, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. You guys can aware about these things. Okay, so okay guys, so bye bye, take care.